Hello, I'm Mrs. Liu. Let us look at this maths question. Some students will ask how long they spend on the internet every day. I'm sure you all spend a lot of time on the internet, right? So do I. The table shows the result. Okay, so you have number of hours and number of students. A, it is given that the mode is 3. Write down the largest possible value of x. They want the largest possible value. So the mode is 3. Mode means it appears the most frequently. So if you want the mode to be 3, this is 13. So the largest number that x can be has to be smaller than 13. So one number smaller than 13 will be 12. So the answer, x will be equals to 12. That's the smallest number. That's the smaller number than 13, but it's the largest possible value of x. Okay, for B, it is given that the median is 3. Now the median is 3. Write down the smallest possible value of x. Median is the middle number. You want the middle number to be 3. So middle number, so if you want the smallest possible number, means the numbers on the left and the numbers on the right has to be the same. That's the smallest possible value of x. So we add those on the left-hand side, 7 plus 6 plus 11 will be equals to, we have a middle number, then the rest of the numbers should be the same, which is 12 plus 7 plus x. So we know the smallest possible value of x will be 5. Thank you for joining me. Remember, you are a miracle.